Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Ruchika and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. Okay. Uh, for first part, I will ask you a couple of questions and first of all, I want to know what is your full name?
My full name is Jyoti Kumawat. You can also call me Jyoti. And in this name, I take a great pride. It shows my cultural roots and identity.
Okay. Where are you from, Jyoti?
I belong to a town called Kuchaman City where I was bring up and brought up. It's famous for especially for education and it's also called Education City of Rajasthan. As well as there are many historical sites to visit like Lord Ganesha Temple, Kuchaman Fort. People here are should share a mutual respect.
What do you do? Do you study or work?
Well, recently I have completed my 12th class from CBSE board and I scored 94.8% in 12th board exam with humanities stream and I'm really proud for that. I also appeared for CUET exams to get a good to get a good university in Delhi so that I can pursue my further studies.
Okay. Why did you choose to study art?
Okay, so choosing art was not just about studying those subjects. It's all about studying how the society functions, how the law and government functions, about the geography and politics of our country. And I also want to become a judge, and it inclines with my target. So choosing humanities was to a big step for my target.
Okay. Why do you want to become a judge?
Well, my targets from childhood were changing frequently, but as I grew older and after 10th, I took a firm decision to choose humanities stream to achieve my target, which is to become a judge. To become a judge, I need to know how the society functions, how the law system of our country works, and taking humanities will help me to understand all this criteria.
Okay. Jyoti, I want to know what are your hobbies?
I have a number of hobbies and from childhood they were different and now I have evolved and they are recently a little different from my childhood. My first hobby is painting. I perform this hobby to explore my creativity and playing with colors give me satisfaction and I also love dancing. Usually I dance when I'm frustrated sometimes from the work pressure, from studies, sometimes exams. So I perform this and my mind gets freshen up. I also perform yoga asanas every day. It's not just a hobby but also a part of my lifestyle to freshen up my mind and get fit and increase my concentration.
Okay, you said you do perform yoga. Okay, I want to know that gym is better than yoga or yoga is better than gym?
This is really a controversial topic to discuss about. But if you ask my opinion on this, then according to my point of view, as we all know that yoga is something which has evolved from India. And recently, United Nations also declared the International Yoga Day, which is celebrated on 21st of June. It means this is not only giving respect to Indian culture, but yoga is something which everyone should perform because it's not just about getting fit and fine. It's also for reducing the chances of chronic diseases, improving concentration, also getting healthier and fitter and finer. And if you talk about gym, so gym, I think it has evolved mostly in the young generations. And I personally feel the people who want to build their body, get a muscular and want to enhance their strength should join the gym.
Okay. My next question is, what are your favorite subjects in your school?
I study a number of subjects in my school and I think I have an interest in all subjects. But if you ask my favorite subject, then it will definitely be political science. Because as you know, learning political science helped me to know about the country, know about the central government, state government, elections, everything, and also about the law system of our country, which will further help me to achieve my target.
Okay, how do you usually spend your weekend?
Uh, I really love weekends if at all. Like I'm not someone who wants to work entire week and get frustrated. I am a kind of person who loves productive day as well as unproductive day. Usually my weekend is a combination of both productive and unproductive day. I spend by relaxing in sunlight, enjoying with my cousins and siblings. I also spend this by pursuing my hobbies and learning some extra other activities.
Okay. Is there anything you would like to change in your daily routine?
Well, I think I should make some changes in my daily routine, which I'm trying to. Like I want to add reading books in my daily routine, and I want to extend my time of performing yoga because yoga is something which you should perform more than 1 hour, but my timing is little less. So day by day, I'm increasing the timing of reading books as well as yoga.
Okay. Uh, have your hobbies changed since childhood?
Yes, my hobbies has evolved from childhood because as a child, my hobby was only confined to drawing, sketching, and painting. But as I grew elder, I learned dance. I also learned. I went to yoga classes in lockdown when I was completely free. Just something made my day productive. So the dancing and performing yoga asanas has added in my hobbies.
Okay. Do you think it's important to have a goal?
I feel it's not important, but it's necessary to have a goal because goal is something which keep us dedicated towards our target and towards our long term. If we don't have a goal, we become lazy, sometimes distracted, but having a proper goal help us to be consistent and achieve our goal and target.
Okay. Uh, for the part second, I will give you a cue card, and about that you need to speak minimum 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I will just inform you. So here is your cue card topic, and you will have a 1 minute to just write down keynote, and later on you just